In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair NinjaTrader. Now, there's actually two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both right now. If you were first instructed by NinjaTrader support that you have to basically repair your NinjaTrader database, you can go to Tools up top, and then Database Management, and at the bottom it says Repair DB, click on that, and again, I'm going to tell you this, only use this if, of course, NinjaTrader support told you to do it. So if they did, click on Repair over here, and of course, you must be disconnected to all these connections, which I'm currently not, to be able to do that. So I'm gonna hit the disconnect button, tools, and if they actually told you to do this, click on repair, and there we go, it's going to repair, and then you have to go and restart NinjaTrader for this database operation to complete. Okay, so when you restart it now, you'll see that it's going to be repaired, and again, only do this if NinjaTrader support tells you to do this. Then the second way is going to be, of course, if something is not working with your program. So if like it's not opening or something similar, you can always go and use the repair tool. Now to do this, first you want to close down your NinjaTrader completely. So I'm going to click on the X button, and I'm actually not going to save this. There we go, just like this. And when you've done this, you want to open the control panel on your computer. To do this, open the Start menu or go to the search down here and type in Control Panel. Now once you do this, you want to click on it to actually open up the control panel, and there we go, the control panel looks like this. And inside here, you want to go to a View By and then select Category, and then go to Programs. Inside Programs, go to Programs and Features up top, and then in here find NinjaTrader. So as you can see, if I scroll down, it should be under N, M, and then here it should be M. There we go, N, okay, NinjaTrader. So you want to click on it, and up top it says Repair. So it says repair the installation of this program, just hit this repair button, and then it's going to start preparing to install. It's going to give you a few prompts on your screen, and then once you confirm those, it's going to repair your installation and hopefully fix your issue that you may have, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.